Hello? Yes. How are you? Are the one in touch? Yes. What's your name? And so on. We are told there's what tricking happening here. Here.
Waliwo abali mu kubba obululu. Waliwo abali mu kubba obululu wano.
Boss, don't use your gun. Eh? Don't use your gun. Don't use your gun.
Bali mu kubba bululu wano. Ke zizo number plate muzikwate.
We are seeing cars being number plates. Yeah. Yeah. Don't. This is an establishment.
We have had happening here. Who is in charge?
Kanyangole.
Tamale. Yes, moment to travel. I travel akaseera kano. Wano bali mu kubbira obululu. Ekikomera kino emmotoka zino zoli mu kulaba wano bali mu kubbira obululu. Wano we bali mu kubbira obululu.
Kanyangole, calm yourself down. Eh? Calm yourself down.
Oh yeah, I'm on the press. Eh? I'm on the wano bali mu kubba bululu. Bali mu kubba bululu. Bali mu kubba bululu. Waliwo embeera eri munda. Bali mu kubba bululu munda. Mwe tuli wano ne Joero wamu ne Secretary General mukwate akaami kano. Waliwo ekiri munda. Wulira emiggo. Bali mu kubakuba. Bali mu kuba alano. Bali mu kubakuba. Bali mu kubba bululu. Bali mu kubba bululu. Bali mu kubba bululu.
Akukegenda kuba abantu ako.
Bali mu kubba bululu. Baba Sede bali mu kutukuba mayinja. Bali mu kubba bululu wano. Breaking news. Wano wendi bali mu kubba bululu. Wano wetuli bakasuka amayinja. Tuli na leader of opposition Honorable Joero Senyonyi. Zizo motoka bagyeko number plate. Kati no network evudeko nango kwa bajijeko. Bajijeko.